Okay, I had a couple of requests for baby items you can find at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to show you what I found that would make great baby shower gifts for someone that you know that's expecting. So up first are these Disney baby bottles. They come in several different colors, and these would be perfect to put into a gift basket. Let me tell you that you can never have enough of these bottle brushes. They also have this Playtex baby diaper rash cream. They even have the Disney baby pacifier holders, and I did find the pacifiers at another store, which I'll show you here in a minute. They had both Mickey and Minnie. You can also grab some of this Fisher-Price Bath Time shampoo, and then they also have the body wash that goes with it as well. I found these adorable Paw Patrol brick cloths. It looks like they had Chase and Sky at my store. They also have Fisher-Price items like these little baby toothbrushes that would be perfect, and they have these teethers that are Sesame Street and come in several different characters. I did also find Huggies Simply Clean baby wipes at my store, and you could grab these. These would be great in a gift basket. They also have the Fisher-Price brand as well. This Yardley baby bar soap is great. That would be great in a gift basket. And then they also have these pacifiers like I mentioned before. And you can never have too many of these. These are great.